Hello, my name is Aditya Chauhan and I was here today for a workshop on design thinking, and it was a very interesting session. A huge crowd of students who are design aspirant, and they were very interactive and they had a lot of questions for me, which was very interesting. When I go to all of the kind of workshop which I did today, I am very happy to have such a huge crowd with a lot of people who are interacting in a fun way, which has a lot of questions. And today we did a small activity on design thinking. We developed a logo in just 12 minutes and it was very much fun. Yeah? And thank you so much. I wish I could come over again and have few more workshops again with the set of students which you have. Thank you.